Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to backup and restore messages on iOS. So first of all, simply head over to your WhatsApp, and then you're going to be heading over to settings. So here we are going to be simply searching for backup, and your backup settings will be appeared. So it is not appearing on my end because I'm using the WhatsApp multiple device feature. So I have my WhatsApp on my other phone. So but if you have your WhatsApp on your primary phone or the original WhatsApps, you can see you can simply scan and use multiple WhatsApps on different phones. So if you have the original WhatsApp on a particular phone, you will get the option to backup on iPhone, and you can simply turn that on a specific email. So that's a pretty simple process. You can do it by yourself. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with the friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.